we're out of there. Our goal is to drive and get tickets for our Cebu transfer, and then go towards Balynt Church, and, things like that. Probably go shopping a little bit. Not yet. Oh well.
Get a dog in the road here.
He couldn't care less. Look at him. Can't care less. Oh. Cows. Here we go. Doesn't care. I feel so good. We're just sitting behind the truck chit-chatting. Two more kilometers, we'll be out of Panglao. We're gonna go into Bohol. There it is. Wow, nice, huh? This is the causeway. Where's the other island? It's not long, but it looks like... So the house is on the water, on stilts.
We'll make a left up here. Janet?
This way's straight. Oh. Make a left, and we gotta stop and find Ocean Jet. I think we have to make a left.
Well, that's what I just said.
Because I did not navigate Ocean Jet because we can't find it over there. We'll stop right here in the foot.
Well, let me get somewhere where I can stop.
Okay.
I can't just pull over here.
You can also, it says. You can, because that's a highway. Yeah, that's some kind of a whole island.
Oh, Lord. This is shit.
Oh, no.
That's all right, baby.
No, I don't know about this. This is too many.
Well, let me know what I gotta do before I get there.
Oh, God. You're gonna make a right like 150 feet. Wait. Yeah.
Good news, though.
Oh, we just went around, huh? Oh, wait a minute. Wrong one. Well, why is that?
Make a right?
Yeah, make a right. Wait a minute. This is wrong. Is this Celestine? Yeah. are in Tagbilaran now. So we're gonna make a right 60 meter. 50
Seems like
meter.
we would go straight.
Let's take a right 10 meter. Oh, we just missed it.
It didn't say blue though.
Well, now we're going straight now. So in like 200 meters, we make a right. This is Tagbilaran.
Take a right.
Take a right. No, not quite, but that's okay. Yeah, next one. Next one. 70 meters. This one. Follow this bicycle. Meters, take a right on Miguel Parsa. Maybe that's light. No.
Seems like we'd be going back the way we came.
Yeah, it looks like it looked us around.
Want to make a right?
Okay, you're gonna make a left. And then make another left.
Make a left right here? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
And then go straight, right?
Go straight, right. Do not make this left that we made.
Take the next left onto Local Circumferential.
80 meters, take a left. Not this left, next left. 80 meters. 50 meter. Okay. Around this little one.
By this light or by this?
Yeah, this one.
Take the next left onto Waylasage Street, then turn left onto San Gomez Street.
This one.
Hang on, baby. Now what?
Straight and take a left 90 meter.
Oh, yeah.
Go straight.
Take the left, the destination's on the left.
I'm at the Tagbilaran Ocean Jet office trying to buy tickets. I don't know why we do the hard way. I guess we could have done it online. Oh God. Here it is. Am I went that far? Went long. So, patience, I guess. This is what you need living in the Philippines. Patience. The road along the coast, but I don't see the coast.
We're right on the coast. You don't see the water right to the right?
Not yet.
It's right there.
We made it to Balynt Church. Right behind me. Right there. We got caught in a little rainstorm. We gotta stop, put all our phone and camera stuff away. And now it's back out, sunshine. So this is one of the go towards the Tarsier. So it's along the coastline. Bougainvillea. So it's misunderstanding as always. There's actually a private wedding in there right now, so we cannot go in the church. Alright, because we saw somebody in a little tux. So anyway, in church outside the ground, that's all it is. So that's Balynt Church. The ground. It's all we can go and see. Nice and peaceful. Okay, this is the back of the church. Comfort room. You gotta pay 10 pesos to get in. Oh. That's the church. Public market. Low tide. Town of Loay. No A, no A. That's it. Yeah. Okay.
So how many businesses does it say have chocolate?
We're on a quest to go to Chocolate Hill. Let's see. I think this is the way to the forest too or something. Now I don't understand, this is still Lubbock. Like the town of Lubbock. So this is where a big main river that comes through this town, I guess, because there's a Lubbock River. I thought we and there you go, that's all the restaurant. There you go, that's what it is. You sit in those floating restaurants to eat. This is a little town of Lubbock. I think the reason why this is man-made forest, I was told when you get married in the province of Bohol, you're supposed to plant like 10 trees. Somewhere here they tell you that you gotta plant. Whoa. How are you doing, my driver?
Oh, I'm doing great. 50 miles on a moped.
And you want to buy an electric moped when you get home?
Yeah.
We are going to end this part 2 of our Bohol land trip at the man-made forest of Bohol. Next stop will be Chocolate Hills. So if you all enjoyed this video, please subscribe to East West Picayune. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Comment below. Did you ever been to Panglao or Bohol? Have you enjoyed some of the sceneries I have posted? If you do, please comment below. And until next time,